ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕರ್ಸಿ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ರೈನ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, this reporter wants me to video shoot and send it to them. That is why I am doing it here right now.
If you want to talk, I can talk.
Yes, we can tell.
So, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ.
Yes, please. Yes.
Call everybody.
Excuse me, can you please come this side?
Can you please come this side?
Given some talk, the reporter wants us to send this.
We want refund. You also come, sir. If you want refund, please come.
We are trying our best.
We want refund.
Because we are paying 1.5 year back 32,000.
Okay.
40,000 is not a small amount.
55,000 sir, 55,000 we
We
paid.
are wasting time also.
Madam, you have paid 55,000?
55,000
55,000 for two kids.
Two kids.
ಹಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಟೈಮು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೋ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಫೀಚರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಟಿವಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಬಟ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. 1.5 year 2 years
Sir, just 2 minutes. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅರೆ
Come here. Yes, so many people have gathered. You cannot say sitting there. Don't shout at us.
First you come here. We want you right here. You're here right now. You can't sit somewhere and change employees. One time Diksha will be there. One time Maria will be there.
I don't know after 1 month who will be
No,
here.
nobody, even all
What if
photographers
it
changed
is
there.
closed after some time?
First come here. First come
No,
here.
after some time, what if the office is
Where are
locked?
you? Where are you, Digant? Digant, Matt.
What is he saying?
What? No.
Don't try to pass. Yeah. We can't hear you. What are you saying?
We are registering a complaint and we are
Yes.
going to the media,
Yes.
TV9 and Digvijaya everywhere. Cameraman will come here, expose this. This will be sealed.
He's already
Okay?
on the way, you tell.
Okay? We are calling the police. Police is there for the service, not for the fraudsters like you.
Yes, exactly.
Police will not support you to take money from all these people and enjoy sitting in Chennai. Come here. You have created so much nonsense and taken so much time of the people.
Yes,
We
and
are
money
parents.
also.
We have a lot of things to
All
do.
kids' dreams only.
We have a lot of things to do and we come here, sit whole day and just listen to you like this and go away. The photographer is not professional.
No professional
What
photography
grooming
is
session?
here.
10 by 10
Nothing.
for 40 people.
40 children in one. What if
10 by
something
10
will
for
happen to the
40
child?
people.
Who will take the responsibility?
Get the police now. We'll speak to the police. We will speak to the police. You please complain. Hello, please come. Call the police. They are waiting for you.
We will call now. We will call. We will give a call now.
You come here otherwise. Come here.
Just disconnect the phone. He's sitting there. He won't do anything.
Listen, we want our money refund at the earliest.